Hey BL lovers, welcome back to Drama List, your ultimate destination for everything BL, GL, and K drama. If you're searching for the best BL series of 2025, you have come to the right place because today we are counting down the top 9 best BL drama of 2025, Part 1. And trust me, every single one of these shows is a must watch. From heart fluttering romances to dark revenge plots, fantasy twists, and sizzling chemistry. This list has something for everyone. So grab your snacks, cozy up, and let's dive into the BL magic, starting from number 10 all the way to the most awaited drama at number 1. Boys in Love. We are starting strong with Boys in Love, a sweet Thai BL from GMMTV. This 12 episode rom-com brings us back to the school halls with Shane, the serious tutor, and Kit, the playful troublemaker, plus the heart-fluttering romance of Kim and Moon. With multiple couples, hilarious misunderstandings, and genuine emotional moments. It's giving Heartstopper vibes, mixed with classic school BL nostalgia. Fans adore the fluff, the natural chemistry, especially Chakun and Astons, and the healthy relationships. If you're craving a light, feel-good series full of charms, Boys in Love is definitely worth the binge. My Golden Blood. Next up is a fantasy packed BL that's taking everyone by the storm. My Golden Blood, airing on GMM TV with Joe Weir and Fluke Gavin Cascade. This 12 episode Thai drama combines romance, drama, and supernatural thrills. Thong, a 20-year-old orphan with rare golden blood, irresistible to vampires, meets Mark, a 200-year-old hire who promises to protect him even from himself. With gothic vibes, sizzling chemistry, and heart-racing tension, fans adore its mature romance, strong friendships, and emotional depth. Despite pacing critics, many call it healing, thrilling, and unforgettable, making it one of the must-watch BL jam of 2025. Catch it on IQIYI and YouTube. Secret Lovers, adapted from the manga Ite Warina Wakeganai. This 12 episode PL rom-com follows childhood friends Hantao and Zunzi as their bond changes during a university play. What starts as playful relationship training quickly turns into fake kisses, jealousy, and real love. With Wang Junhao and Chance's warm chemistry, Secret Lover is equal parts fluffy, wholesome, and heartfelt, like a comforting hug with just the right touch of spice. Streaming on IQIYI and VTV. This Friends to Lover journey is a must watch for fans craving light-hearted romance. Revamp the Undead story. If you love fantasy, you can't skip this one. Revamp the Undead story. Combine mystery and supernatural vampire tale into a thrilling yet romantic journey. When vintage shop owner Pun accidentally awakens Ramil, the last vampire hire trapped in a painting. Their fates intertwine. Powerless and haunted, Ramil relies on Poon to restore his strength by reconnecting with his former servants. With gothic vibes, suspense, and undeniable chemistry, this 10 episode GMM drama airing on Saturdays is a must watch for fans of fantasy BL. Stream it now on IQIYI and YouTube. Shine, set in Bangkok, 1969. Shine tells the story of love, idols, and truth during a time of political tension and restricted freedom. With Mile and Apo powerful chemistry, this 8 episode mini-series combines comedy, romance, and heartfelt drama, making every Saturday feel like a chapter from history. Fans praise its strong writing, beautiful storytelling, and the way it captures both tenderness and courage. Airing on VTV, Shine has quickly become a standout PL of 2025, leaving viewers hooked from the very first episode. Kill to Love. Things are about to get intense with Kill to Love, set in a war-torn kingdom. This Wuxian romance follows ASEAN Duangxiang and Prince Zhao Sui, whose forbidden bond goes about duty, betrayal, and time itself. Years later, fate reunites them, one as emperor and the other as a ruler, where love and war collide with breathtaking martial art, heart-wrenching twist, and unforgettable chemistry. This 12-episode masterpiece has fans calling it the best series in the world and must watch for anyone who cry over Mo Dao Zushi. ABO Desire, one of the most talked about BL of the year. ABO Desire combines dangerous obsession, forbidden love, and seductive drama with the Omegaverse. Sang Xiaoyu falls for a seamlessly soft-hearted beauty only to discover a ghost orchid, rare, seductive, and deadly. With psychological manipulation, power plays, and sizzling chemistry, this 16-episode BL series keep fans hooked. As viewers says, starting for the second couple, stay for the main leads. No one beats Hwayong's psycho love for Mr. Sheng, currently airing on Weekly and IQIYI. Reset. Coming in at number 3 is the highly emotional Thai BL series Reset, starring Poon and Peter Pan. This 10-episode IQIYI BL drama combines romance, fantasy, and heartbreak as famous actor Armin dies from betrayal, only to wake up in the past and meet the mysterious Dada. Adapted from the novel, it's beautifully expressed love, second chances, and fate within the entertainment industry. Fans can't stop praising Peter Pan's unforgettable performance of the Dada, a character so caring, loyal, and selfless that many dream of finding someone like him in real life. Reset is truly a masterpiece that stays with you for a long time after watching. Revenge Love. Revenge Love takes the enemies to lover trope and make it dangerously addictive. When Wu Xiaowei plans to seduce spoiled hire teaching for revenge turns into real feelings, sparks fly in a whirlwind of comedy, drama, and forbidden romance adapted from the web novel Counterattack. This Chinese BL masterpiece keeps you laughing, crying, and blushing all at once. Fans are calling it the best BL of 2025. Honest, emotional, and impossible to move on from. If you love messy love stories with heart, this is your must watch. Khemjira. And finally, our number 1 pick, Khemjira. This Thai BL masterpiece combined horror, romance, and supernatural suspense like never before. Following Khem, a boy crushed to die before 20. His mother names him Khemjira in hope of breaking fate with ghosts, curses, spirit possession, and slow burn romance. This series keeps viewer hooked week after week. Fans praise its strong plot, chilling atmosphere, and emotional depth, calling it both terrifying and beautiful. Starring King and Namping, Khemjira is adapted from the novel Khemjira Will Survive and is currently airing on IQIYI, a haunting BL you don't want to miss. Wow, what a lineup! From supernatural romances to revenge-fueled passion, and heart-melting first loves. 2025 is turning out to be an unforgettable year for BL fans. But tell me, which one of these dramas are you most excited to watch first? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's start a BL fan discussion down below. If you loved this countdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Drama List, and smash the notification bell so you never miss an update on your favorite dramas. Until next time, keep shining, keep loving, and keep binge watching because here at Drama List, drama never sleeps. See you in the part 2, family. Bye bye.